Hello, everybody. It is the best presentation ever, presented by me, Miss Arina, as the character Siti, and Humaira as Mila. And our title for our emotional script is called The Last Goodbye. So, this is it?
Yeah, I guess is it.
No, Mila, I thought we'd have more time.
Me too.
What am I supposed to do without you?
You keep going. You always do.
No, no, I don't. I really didn't. Because you were there.
And I still will be. And I still will be just like before.
It's not fair, Mina. You have to be here. It's not the same.
Nothing ever is, but it doesn't mean it's over.
Alright then. Goodbye, Mina.
See you again.
And scene. The end. Thank you so much. Bye bye.